actually opened up a new one like not too long ago.
It's so cute. I got this smoothie. This is the Welcome to Miami smoothie. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I like the light blue one, and also the chocolate one's really good. This one's okay. I probably wouldn't get it again just because it's a little too tangy for me.
Today is my day off. I was gonna go to the gym, but I decided not to go because I just wasn't really feeling it. And I was like, I'll just get my steps in and walk around like WeHo today. This is the first thing that I'm eating. And I just ordered another breakfast sandwich because I'm so hungry. Now we have that coming. You guys, ordered the perfect egg sandwich. So good. Look at that. The new neighborhood that I live in isn't the most walkable, so I want to just like get so used to walking there that I don't feel like uncomfortable or like not inspired to walk, because the area that I lived in last year, it was just so aesthetic and so pretty, and I was like always inspired to walk, but I want to get my steps in. My lunch at Pura Vida was just so good. It was like my breakfast slash lunch. I'm not one to like love like an egg breakfast sandwich or like a breakfast burrito. I really don't love that kind of thing, but this one was so good, especially that green sauce that they put on the side. Oh my God, it was so good. The smoothie now, that was like a 6 or 7 out of 10, not my favorite. I finally made it home and I wanted to show you my dinner. I'm having some ground beef quesadillas and then my little water. But I had the best day ever and I'm just gonna relax, and I think I'm gonna take a bath tonight. Good morning, guys. It's a brand new day. I am so tired. I didn't get that much sleep last night, but honestly, it's fine. I'll be fine. Just need some coffee in my system. It'll be interesting to see if my fridge is working, because last night our fridge wasn't working. Like everything in the fridge was getting room temperature, everything in the freezer was defrosting. So, but then I think they messed with it and possibly fixed it. So let's see what that's looking like this morning. All right, well, everything seems to be cold, but I don't know. Pero on YouTube, you know? They were for $9.25 so that we can carpool. Okay, gracias, I love you. Don't mind the mess in my room. I feel like I always pull random stuff every morning and then it just looks so messy. But this is the OOTD. Tank is Tank Air. Cardigan is thrifted. Pants are Calvin Klein and shoes are from Zara. And this bag was, I forget what company it is exactly, but they just sent it to me. Just a classic little black tote. And today is my very last day of training, so I'm really excited. We're probably just gonna be in the stock room
which honestly I probably should wear flats, but I love the way this looks better. At work. Should I put his drink in the fridge? Or no, it's fine.
I'll like clean out the lid though.
The lid is looking I'm like, here's your drink.
Sorry, we spilled it a little in the car. There's like caramel syrup all over it. And we have no straw for you, so all of that. Like... You want to try it?
Oh, yeah,
egg
sure.
bite with horseradish?
Okay guys, horseradish, taste test.
I just have the feeling this could be a vibe.
Let's try it on,
But you like radish, right?
I don't really know. Oh, it's like it's like a gel.
It looks kind of gross, but...
Is it expired?
No. It's like what wasabi's made out of, you know?
It kind of smells like, tartar sauce.
We have this for Bloody Marys.
Mmm!
Is it a vibe?
Oh my god, you guys. If you don't have hot sauce, use horseradish.
Yeah, I kind of felt like it would go.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, I'll try a little bit.
Or do you not like it?
It's good.
Hey guys, so I am back from the gym and kind of just hanging out. I was gonna film a closet clean out, but I remembered that I wanted to try to do my global entry application because my work actually like pays for it. I think it takes a little bit of time because you have to put like your work history and also like what countries you've visited in the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 years or something like that. So I need to go through and do that. Don't know what global entry is. It's basically a program that allows low-risk travelers to bypass long passport control lines when entering the United States. I think TSA PreCheck is included with that. So very nice. Oh my gosh, I love autofill. It just filled in this entire thing for me. Amazing. Good morning, guys. It is a brand new day. It is Friday, July 24th. Gosh, please do not look at my closet. Gonna do a closet clean out maybe today. I don't know yet. I am going to get ready to go to the gym. I was kind of just bed rotting this morning and I really loved it. I really needed it, so. But I'm going to force myself to wear some of these like workout outfits that I don't think are the most flattering, because I feel like if you do that, then it like forces you to like lock in even harder at the gym. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but that's just like my mentality. Like outfit of the day, I'm wearing this aloe set, and then I think I'm gonna bring my purse with me. I want to start wearing like purses instead of like the aloe tote that I bring to the gym. Like I just want to wear purses instead, because usually I don't just go straight to the gym. I'll go somewhere else after, and the aloe tote just doesn't look the best. Okay. Back at home, and I went to Bristol Farms really quick and just got this blue agave sriracha. It's so good. I used to only do the regular sriracha, and then my roommate put me onto this. It's honestly the best. And then I just bought 2 lemons because I love having lemon in my water. So, got those. And then I also stopped by a new coffee shop. It's called Louie with Love. It's really cute. But I got a matcha because I already had coffee today and I didn't want to be like super jittery. So I got a matcha with almond milk and like stevia. So good. It's not overly sweet. It's like honestly perfect. Guys, this is my breakfast for today. I ran out of blueberries, so it's just eggs to toast and then my little water. Guys, I just realized I forgot to have my coconut cold this morning. Can't forget that. Look at that. Mmm. at Target, and I'm so happy that I went down every aisle because sometimes I forget when I need to get stuff, and I'm about to run out of detergent and I'm about to run out of my scent beads. I normally get the Ocean Mist scent of the scent beads, and they're really good, but sometimes they're just a little bit too strong. Last time I got this brand Unstoppables, and I got this pink one, which is pretty good, but I'm not like so obsessed with it. And then my roommate gets this one, which smells really, really good too, but I don't know if I'm in this mood. This is a little too spring for me right now. So I think I'm gonna go with this white lavender. This honestly smells really good. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, yeah, wait. This one smells pretty good too. Oh, this rose, oh my gosh, wait. This smells really good. This kind of reminds me of like Santal. This was already open, by the way, it wasn't me. It smells really good. I just don't know if I'm gonna get sick of it. Okay guys, I just asked somebody and he said he likes this one, so we're going with this one. The detergent that I'm gonna get is the Drift Pods, because this is like mental, so we're gonna get this one today. Alright guys, I just got back from my walk to Target, and I just made myself a smoothie because I actually got a call for a flight starting on Sunday. So today's Friday, so I basically have to start prepping today, especially because it's my first flight. I'm really excited. Yeah, I'm gonna start prepping like some things today. So I just decided to make myself a quick little smoothie. I'm back, and I don't think I'm ever going shopping on a Friday night again, because that was a lot. Oh my fridge. Yeah, that was just a lot. But let's do a haul of the things I bought. So these are for my flight. I bought edible flowers, fresh basil, mint, roasted and salted pistachios, mozzarella pearls, goat cheese, figs, Turkish apricots, feta, and I got the chunk version, not the crumbled version, all natural prosciutto, purple grapes, half of a watermelon, cantaloupe, and then these got crushed on the way, so I have to probably get new ones, but I got 4 peaches. Oh, I forgot to show that I also got these salty little shots, immunity, ginger, tropical ginger. Okay, let's try this immunity shot. So I couldn't find pistachios that were out of their shell and salted, so I bought the ones in the shell, and I'm just gonna one by one deshell them. I really don't need that many even, because I'm just gonna be sprinkling these on. Perfect. Hello guys, good morning. It is Monday, July 27th, and I just woke up in Arizona. I'm about to go on a little walk to go get some coffee, but I'm gonna check in with you guys because I didn't check in last night. I was just kind of talking to my family and telling them how my trip went. Yeah, I'm about to go get some coffee. It's like 80 degrees outside, so I don't know if wearing this is a good idea. This sunscreen on. This is my favorite. This is the Kiehl's Better UV sunscreen, but it just feels so nice on your skin. Gorgeous.